Assalamualaikum all everyone. Today I talked Oman Air Airlines online check-in system, how to check Oman Air Airlines. So this is my YouTube channel. This channel only airlines check-in video and boarding pass check-in video uploaded. So subscribe my channel. So at first Google Chrome browser open here, then typing here Oman Air web check-in. Then many link open here omanair.com. So Oman Air check-in, this link click here omanair.com, this link click here. This is Oman Air website, Oman Air Airlines website, very good website. So many option showing bag safety, document, boarding gate, many option showing. So at first option showing generate your boarding pass check-in option. So at first booking reference PNR, typing here last name. Booking reference mean PNR number or reservation number, last name means surname. So PN number typing here, last name typing here, then check in. Then your information fill up, then seat select, then finally your boarding pass showing. And download your boarding pass or boarding pass sent your email. Thank you all everyone. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.